foot.
The scene from inside the truck. He was able to backflip, but as you saw, the landing, not a perfect success, as he is immediately being tended to by the crew.
And Joe, I can tell you one thing that Rhys told me prior to the jump, before getting into the truck today. The truck had been set up to jump and take off. They had never landed anywhere but in the cardboard boxes. There was no rebound dampening in the truck. So what you saw was the truck landed and bounced and then tipped over again.
And what we're hoping to see here is Rhys Millen emerge from this situation now. So the backflip conducted, and there he is. He made a promise to finish what he started. But as you said, Cam,